Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your search history on YouTube. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the YouTube app. Then you want to go down on your profile picture where it says you. You click on it, then you have to go all the way up to the right corner and you click on the gear icon. Then there is an option on the actual settings that it says manage all history. You click on manage all history. And here you will find a lot of interesting information about your search queries. First of all, you want to make sure that you have auto delete on or off, depending on your settings, what this even means. When you click on auto delete, this simply will give you an option to select a time frame after which your search queries will be deleted automatically. As you can see over here, you have the option 36 months, 18 months, and 3 months. This means that after this time frame, if you have the function auto delete, YouTube will automatically delete your search queries after 3 months, 18 months, or 36 months. Okay, I don't have this one on. As you can see over here, don't auto delete activity. You can have it on or you can have it off. If you want to go and do it manually, you will see that you have much more customization over here. If you click, for example, on the calendar, you can pick a particular date, month, and year, and you can go there and delete this particular day or this particular week. It's very, very good. On the other side, you can simply scroll down. You see you have the option delete, right? And you can delete everything that you searched today, everything that you search on particular custom range, something that we went through. And the best of all, I think something that a lot of people will be looking for is that you can actually delete all your search queries at the same time. You don't have to go manually. That's something very helpful. I wish there was an option like this on Twitter or at least on Instagram, right? But there isn't. So you can click on delete all your history, all your search queries at once. Other option, of course, manually will be simply to go over here and just click X, and you can do this manually by dates, right? And this will simply help you to see, which one you watch when, and do you want to keep it or not. Why would you want to delete search history? Well, YouTube algorithm suggestions for content and ads is based on your previous search queries. So if you don't want to get recommended stuff that you're not interested, it kind of makes sense for you to delete stuff that are not relevant to you. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.